6th floor.
You want to see heaven?
Ah! Ow, you actually got my iris.
You have another one?
Not for long.
You must suffer with your 240, bro.
Yeah.
Small.
For context, the exhaust leak got much worse.
Down the copyrighted.
My organs.
Your organs are okay?
Yeah.
Big fast chocolate nuts.
I'm not gonna dox Mason. Let me.
You're not gonna what?
Shut up, bitch. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, you still kind of hit it.
Sorry.
Goodness. America. Of all the cars you've driven so far, what was your favorite one to drive?
I don't know. This one's really fun to drive.
Obviously.
I like the Subi a lot too, though.
What do you prefer, like all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive?
Normally all-wheel drive. The handling of this one is just better.
Yeah, like I always feel like you're more naturally talented at front-wheel drive, despite your denial.
Even though it's a rear-wheel drive car.
No, the Lancer, dude. You did whip the fuck out of that thing. Let me remind you.
Yeah, I did.
Like way beyond what it should have been capable of.
Yeah.
Like if you had a fucking Type R, heaven forbid, bro.
Yeah.
You would fucking fly.
Yeah. I love all the cars that I'm not good at.
Fine with this one.
Well, yeah. Anybody can do fine with this car.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just one-handing this fucking corner right now.
Yeah.
Just God-hand this shit really quick.
It smells like hubris in here.
Subi was fun.
I imagine, yeah.
So I could just come out a corner and just fucking
fly.
hit the gas and I fucking fly.
Yeah. What makes me wonder, what I do? Makes me wonder, like S2000.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people, so like the cars I do want to drive on like Touge are gonna be, my easy number one is I do want to build like a feed RX-7.
Yeah.
Like full kit. Semi-built engine, I guess. I don't know, you can't really build them.
Yeah.
Quotation marks, they're all built the same, it's just how it's prepared, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
I want to feed RX-7. Honestly, I'm super tempted to just try to find the old kit and like stuff for their FCs they used to do.
Yeah.
That sounds weirdly cooler than me. I do want to try an S2000 just because the fucking Jay's S2000 fucking is legendary. It's insane.
Yeah.
Do want to try S2000 because I know they're super fucking good.
Yeah, they are.
MR2 Spider. Obviously, I'm gonna get the turbo MR2, the SW20.
Yeah.
100% want to try doing that, but I also want a Spider just because I know they're super good as well. Can't remember the name of the company that was in hot version, but they were fucking fast. And they stopped early though. They probably would have been a top 3 competitor. I feel like because this year's Touge Fest or whatever they're calling it this time, like so far the competitors haven't been like serious about the actual event.
Yeah.
Like fees show up, fucking wipe the slate with everyone, like automatically, and they didn't even bring the actual car. They brought one that's like spec'd pretty close to it.
Yeah.
So that's already saying something. Then what else? There's like a lot of like R32s that just weren't that good, especially the air suspension one. That shit was so ass. Yeah, I'll have to send it to you. I know you haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
But there were some cool ones. Like there's a Z, a Fairlady Z that was there. It was fucking cool as shit. That one actually had me hyped because that one was actually like put potential into it. Pretty sure that one could be a pretty dope car. Other than that, I mean, shit. I would have to say, yeah, I mean, it kind of lets out. I do want like more 240s. I would love to have a 180 with the SR20 because I wouldn't kind of want to touch it in the SR20 any other way. If I owned another 240 and I had the budget, dream of mine is to do a 240 with a rotary swap. Rotary swap 240 sounds fucking insane. That shit sounds so good. And then what else? Shit. Yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. So like right now though, like with what I could afford now, I definitely want an SW20 turbo. Obviously I want an FC, and I'd do another 240. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I'm gonna LS swap a Prius.
I feel like that wouldn't be anywhere near as good as as funny as it sounds, honestly. Like, I guess it would be neat, but that should, I don't know.
My LS swap a Yaris.
Now that's interesting. I don't even know if that can fit.
I'll make it fit.
Engine's a 3-cylinder.
I'll make it fit.
Fair enough. One way of putting it.
All you need is a good enough lube.
Fair. All I need enough duct tape to make anything work.
Duct tape and WD-40. That's all you need.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Brake cleaner.
I just need to do that with my 240 right now. Just throw enough duct tape on there, should run just fine.
Yeah, after the hole that you put in the fucking exhaust.
Holes.
Yeah.
I haven't even seen it yet. I'm guessing holes.
I wonder how Jesse's doing right now. Is this gonna wait to chase?
Who knows? Doubt it.
Nah. Looked like it was
Not like
getting
one
ready.
time. I know the reason you got this white GR86 is because you're like the, oh my god, you're literally Nakazato, where he got he got chased by the white R32.
どうしても抜けねえ。コーナーで追い込んでも直線でまた離される。走り屋としてのテクニックは俺の方が上なんだ。くそ、負けるか。こいつじゃどうあがいたって3人に太刀打ちできねえのか。妙義山切っての下りの走り屋と言われた俺がドリフトもできねえ3人に負けるなんて。
And now you got chased by the white GT86, and you're like, it was a BRZ. Nah, well, I'm gonna say it's GT86 just to make fun of you. A white GT86 that just ran you to the fucking ground.
It did.
And you were so distraught. I remember you felt such defeat. that you were like, I'm Nakazato. Now I need it. I need one too. You've been looking for him ever since to win back your honor. It's so funny.
Yeah.
Like, I always knew these cars were fast and shit. Up here.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's beyond my expectation. I feel like it's well within. What was beyond my expectation was like the GR. Like the GR is fucking insane.
Yeah.
Well, fun fact. Well, I don't know. I'll probably put the crash video before this one. So, link to that right about here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna stop talking again for a while. My arm's hurting.
Nice.
Oh, Christ. So your fucking transmission explodes.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, I was tempted. I was like, I don't think anyone's done it in like years.
Yeah.
This was also wet earlier. Dude, my left hand muscles are so fucked. Gyroscoping right now. Probably not even doing a good job of it. And just fucking dying.
You have two hands.
I can't use two hands. It's awkward. I actually shake more. Ugh. I stayed this corner. Like the Mustang, this shit was so sketch.
Yeah.
I remember here, I'll show the audience. I actually smacked a guardrail right about, I want to say there. And then Tyler hit a coyote here. So that's always fun. Well, I say smacked. It was more like lightly kissed.
Like a love
with
tap.
Love tapped with my wheel. Was weirdly just didn't. It was like just enough force for me to hear it. Just enough force for it to not actually do shit. I've been looking over at my camera this whole time. I'm so parsec.
I bought the, what brand was it? A Remark. I bought a Remark R-Spec, R1 Spec, RS? I don't remember. It's the single exit for the Scion FRS /BRZ 2012 to 2018. versions. Nice. When it comes in, it's gonna give it that nice scooby rumble. I don't know. I mean, your car just blew the fuck up.
Blowing up. We don't know why yet.
I saw it. It looked like it blew up.
Nah.
I'm just saying.